So I started off as a dishwasher. Within 2 weeks of doing it, I'm like, this is not for me. I didn't want to learn the traditional culinary cuisines. So I went to study nutrition. I got made fun of the entire time. I started to work in small restaurants, mom and pops, did my apprentice. Eventually, I got a nice gig at a big company, got my first sous chef position there, where I meet one of the greatest chefs of all time, in my opinion. I realized that I couldn't compete with what his style of cooking was. I said, you know what, forget it. I'm just going to do me.